Welcome everyone. In recent years, the U.S. Navy's FAXX program has become a symbol of hope for the future of American air dominance. Along with the Air Force's NGAD program, the FAXX is designed to replace the F/A-18EF Super Hornet and become the primary weapon on U.S. aircraft carriers by 2040. However, recent news of significant budget cuts by the U.S. Senate for 2025 has raised serious concerns about the viability of the program. The U.S. Senate has allocated only $53.8 million for the FAXX program in 2025, far below the Navy's initial request of $1.53 billion. This reduction is not only surprising, but also raises profound questions about the future direction of sixth-generation fighter technology. What really happened behind this decision? One big possibility is that the Pentagon is undergoing a profound strategic shift. With tensions rising in the Pacific, Europe, and the Middle East, and budgets tightening, the focus may be shifting from manned fighters to unmanned fighters, or drones. Combat drones like the Loyal Wingman and Remote Carrier could become the new backbone of U.S. military strategy, replacing very expensive and complex manned fighters like the FAXX. However, this decision should not be seen as a step backwards. Instead, it could be an indication that the Pentagon is prioritizing the development of more flexible, cheaper, and more effective technologies in the long term. The combat drone programs prioritized by the Navy and Air Force suggest that the future of air combat may rely more on autonomous capabilities and integrated combat networks. But what does all this mean for America's future air dominance? If the FAXX and NGAD don't go according to plan, will America lose its edge in the skies? Or is this the beginning of a new era in which sixth-generation fighters are no longer the centerpiece of military strategy, but rather a component of a larger, more complex combat system? With these drastic budget cuts, we will have to wait and see how the Pentagon and defense manufacturers will respond to this new challenge. One thing is for sure, though, the Senate decision has opened a new chapter in the debate about the future of American defense technology and how the country will maintain its position as the world's dominant air power. However, we must also consider that this decision may reflect internal political pressures in the United States. With the upcoming presidential election, the future of these programs could change dramatically depending on who holds power. And amid all this uncertainty, one thing remains clear: the future of American air dominance is at stake.